rather than booth for booth. So I'm going to go booth by booth. I'm going to tell you guys what's going on. I'm going to interview vendors, and then they're going to let us know what's going on. Of what's going on in the restaurant? Yeah. What time you guys close today? 8 o'clock. Okay, so you guys will be here until 8 o'clock. Alright, so later on I'll come back and check on you. Alright. Up next, no strangers. It's the Boy and Boy. I'll be speaking to Miss Jang. Miss Jang, good morning.
Hi, good day everybody. So we're here today promoting our green apple Fanta and our Snackers, Doradas, as well as our flaming cheese sticks. We have bundles out here today, a $9.25 value pack, but we're giving them for $5 today. Buy 5 chips in the bundle, get a free green apple Fanta, guys. Come on down and enjoy with us.
Can you just please repeat again?
Alright guys, so we're out here promoting our green apple Fanta, as well as our Snackers, Doradas, nacho cheese, and our flaming hot cheese sticks. Guys, come on down. We have a $9.25 value pack for $5 today. You buy 5 chips in a bundle, you get a free green apple Fanta.
Alright, and if someone wants to buy just the chips, you guys, the deal is you have to take the entire bundle.
Well, guys, if you're done to pay for the chips, carry your green Fanta, your free apple Fanta. But if you like, you could leave it with us. We can substitute for chips if you so choose.
All right, Miss Jang. And so you'll be here until this evening, right? Yes. Okay, so we'll come back and check on you and see how you're doing. Right. Thanks very much. My friend, I'm going to speak to Mr. Martinez. What he does is hot pepper, and if you come right now, he has samples going on, right? A lot of places, a lot of booths that we have here, some of them they will not have samples, but Mr. Martinez is doing it big. So he's going to tell us about his product. Take it away.
Hi. Good afternoon. I want to welcome you to Tony's Hot Lava. Today we have a special today. The peppers are usually $7, but we have them for $6 today. We have the mango habanero, we have the pineapple habanero, and also we have the regular habanero. So I'm looking forward to see you guys out to sample the pepper today.
Yes, Mr. Tony, but you did not say that this is your very own product. This is something that you do, that you create.
Yes, it's 100% natural. I'm the one that makes the pepper, right? So it's everybody that tastes it, it's wonderful. It's good for them, right?
Okay, so do you buy the pepper or you grow pepper yourself?
Well, in the future we will grow it, but we buy it from the vendors to make the pepper.
All right, so just as every other booth, Mr. Martinez, I'm going to sound great, but I'm not eat pepper with meat. Yeah, so I'll get meat and I'll come back with red pepper. All right.
You get meat for both.
All right, I'll bring it this side. Thanks, Eddie. Yeah, check. Now we're moving on to quality poultry products booth. I see Miss, who's the person who's gonna talk to us here? Miss Jean. Am I speaking to Miss Jean? Yes, I'm speaking to Miss Jean. Ray, is it afternoon already? Is it good morning or good afternoon? It's afternoon. Good afternoon, Miss Jean.
Good afternoon.
Miss Jean, can you please explain to us what's going on right here?
Okay, right here what we are doing is we are raffling for anybody that buys in the store. We have a raffle ticket for you, no matter how much you spend. Then once you spend $25 worth of chicken, then you get to do a spin, or you can bust a balloon, and you get free stuff. Okay?
Ms. Jean, in addition to being out here, what role do you play in the business? What is your position?
I used to work for Chicken Express.
Okay.
For 8 years, I was a supervisor. Right now, I'm retired, and I am just volunteering and helping out today for the fair.
Okay. So how do you feel about coming out here in Dangrega and showcasing what quality poultry is all about?
I love it. It's wonderful. And I'm glad everybody came out today.
Thanks very much, Miss Jean. All right. Yeah. Once again, that was Miss Jean, and what they have is games going on. There's the spin the wheel. There's the balloon. I guess when you get a chance to throw a dart, right? Inside those balloons would be maybe a list or a number of whatever prize or baskets that the ladies they have, and then you win that, right? So come on to quality poultry product. It's gonna go on.
White Toyota and a red
Aggressive, man.
Nissan black in them. Way to go, please. And you go
Okay,
to
that's us again. Running W. All right, let me get these guys' name again.
My name is Michael Carl.
So your name is?
Michael.
My name is Catherine.
I'm Juan.
And Juan, Ray, as you notice that we have young people out here, right, representing Running W. And tell us what Running W brand is all about.
Well, Running W is all about trying to bring people to get together and appreciate our meats and our sustainability. We try to promote sustainability as much as we can by using solar power in our own company and trying to bring healthy practices such as grass-fed animals, and we make sure that we do not add any additives to our animals or anything that could harm us as well.
So give us a list of what's going on right here. What's up with the dishes?
We have samples right now, but at the moment we're running out of these samples, so we have to continue and make samples. So we don't have that much right now, but from the ones we have some beef patties, we have some, give me a second, we have some salami, some pastrami, and we have some chorizo negro. Right now, so far, the chorizo negro has been the biggest hit because people are just loving it, and as well as the butcher select bacon, those are one of our biggest hits at the moment.
So is it fine for me to come back and get a sample?
Yes, of course.
All right, thank you very much. Country meats. I guess we are following the meat section. That was Running W, but I'm here with Country Meats. Country Meats, good morning. Good morning. All different type of sausages. Explain to me what you have.
Well, we have the hot Italian, the smoked beef, the farmer sausage, and the regular Italian.
Okay, so where is Country Meats located?
Country meat is located at the Cayo district at Spanish Lookout. Okay. Yeah.
So you guys are different from Running W?
Yep. Well, both of we sell meat, right? But different brand, we could tell. Yeah.
So when I come back this afternoon in a couple of minutes, I'm gonna come back for some samples.
Yes, sir. Right now we have the promotion. If you buy 4 of our products at quality, you could come and ask for a free salami, habanero salami, or the selected sliced ham. And right now, all of Country Meat products have 10% discount at quality.
So the 10% is only for today or during the month? It's
only for today.
So come over to Quality Poultry if you want that 10% on Country Meats, right? And come over to if you want the sample, right?
Yep.
Right. We'll come back to you later.
Yeah, different type of sausage.
Yeah, 4 kind of sausage.
Make I go there a little bit, all right? Read the words are rich, right? The words are rich, right? I just sample one, right? The guys from the cultural group are here sampling too, right? Torrin is here. Bantam is here. Tell the people how it is.
Bye, rich.
Right, Torrin.
Alright,
Understand? Okay. Christ the King Anglican School, right? They are doing face painting and what you about is there. Big up to Micro, my senior there. The Catholic studies, right? Tell us about the face painting.
I can hold it. Okay. Right now, Christ of the King is just doing face painting, so you could come or your kids, and you could get any design that you want. You could do custom. I've done Hello Kitty, Stitch so far, flowers, and it's just something nice so the kids can feel a little bit more festive. And you can pick whatever color you want. We have some fake tattoos too, because I know moms don't want their kids getting real tattoos too soon. So yeah, come out and support. This is the Christ of the King stand. Yeah.
So I didn't get a part. Are you a teacher or a member of staff at Christ the King?
No, I'm a volunteer through Peace Corps. Yeah. So we come from the States and we basically do volunteer work for 2 years. And my site is Dangriga, so I just came out to support.
So how are you liking Dangriga right now?
I love Dangriga. I like the music. I like the food. I'm trying to learn how to make sahau, but I could barely cook eggs. So hopefully by the time I leave, I master that. But everybody's really friendly, and I love the beach and stuff here.
I would like to say, welcome to Dangriga, and I appreciate what you guys are doing at Christ the King. All right. So that I would say enjoying what quality poultry has to offer. All right. Once again, they are celebrating their 58th year anniversary or 58th year being in business, and they have specials on chicken and the can back and wings and the products that they sell. So pretty much make your way over to quality poultry products. Their slogan is a food chicken. Right here, it's about one mile outside Dangriga or 1 mile entering Dangriga, right? And they'll be here until 8 o'clock. Did they say it? 8. So Sweet Pain is gonna come. Punta Generals, I believe that's Super G Band. He's gonna come later on. Another dance group is set to perform. But for now, we're gonna join the dance group that is right now still in the show. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
Ayo marana dibo, ayo mama monitina ebe, anahaya tida hospitale, watia anogo te se de eginino, ido ni gabana, gabano guturo, apagwa tuarago, ana owe lumada gono, ana owe lu familia, abunana me arabe abo, Dangriga na gera o, yang malam merangwa o, alo bano bungiote, yang malam merangwa o, alo bano bungiote. Augiega Marina Banibo Ali at the Bull. Ruwe Babanoa. Augiega Marina Banibo. Arube Babano. Mabigana Erba. Arube Babano. Mabigana Erba. Augiega Marina Banibo Ali at the Bull. You give me something I need. You give me something I need. You give me something I crave for. I really need you too. I really wanna feel great now. So let me have my way now. No matter if I wanna leave, cause I'm so invested in you. Cause I really feel a vibe every time I touch the right now. And nobody like this man, the kind of thing like this, and the kind of thing like you. Nothing and nobody like you. And every single time we touch, so I never wanna stop because I always wanna let you know that I love you so much and nobody like you. Nothing and nobody like you. So make me fall out. Long time is over you. Long time is over you. Make me fall out. Long time is over you. Long time is over you. Because you're special to me. Special to me. Very special. Very special. Because you're special to me. Very special. Very special. Like me sunlight and beautiful. Like the daytime and the night come. I'll be sure now. Come to come back. Please don't fall off. Don't break my heart. Like the moon now and the star shine. Give me all love, not a fraction. Get to the point now. So just full stop. Feel the last feet and me and stuff. I really feel a vibe every time I set the right now. And nobody like this and nobody like you. Nothing and nobody like you. So they tell me. And every single time we touch, no one ever wanna stop. Cause I wanna let you know that I love you so much. And it's nobody like you. Make them all up. Long time is over you. Long time is over you. Make them all up. Long time is over you. Long time is over you. Because you're special to me. Special to me. Very special. Very special. Because you're special to me. Very special. Very special. Because you're special to me. Special to me. Very special. Very special. Because you're special to me. Very special. Very special. Give me something I need. Say no long talking, when we whine, when we whine, when we whine. Only slow dancing, bring it back one time. Baby say no feel fine. But I got control, yeah, you know. Cause I'm a rude boy too. And I say no long talking. When we whine, when we whine, when we whine. Only slow dancing. Bring it back one time. Baby, say no long talking. When we whine, when we whine, when we whine. Don't stop till I just right time. Like no another time. Sing, girl, you got the wine. Don't waste the time. Hey, girl, I'm tired of the lip service. You got the wine. Don't waste the time. Hey, girl, I'm tired of the lip service. You got the wine. Don't waste the time. Whenever the girl move does it, when you wine to the house of it, so me say get closer to me, closer to me. Skin raise when I touch your body, come closer to me, closer to me. DJ play girl wine your body, come closer to me, closer to me. Skin raise when I touch your body, come closer to me, yeah, yeah, yeah. You got the wine, don't waste the time. Hey girl, I'm tired of the lip service. You got the wine, don't waste the time. Hey girl, I'm tired of the lip service. You got the wine, don't waste the time. I'm tired of the lip service. Whenever the girl move does it, when you wine, see my heart starts skip. So me sing, come closer to me, closer to me. Skin raise when I touch your body, come closer to me, closer to me. DJ play girl wine your body, come closer to me, closer to me. Skin raise when I touch your body, come closer to me, closer to me. Skin raise when I touch your body, come closer to me, closer to me. DJ play girl wine your body, come closer to me, closer to me. Yeah. Skin raise when I touch your body. All I want is plenty woman. All I want is plenty woman. I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. Yeah. I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. You know why them girls, them that's on. Them man, them that's on. I don't want 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, 4, 5 girl, 6 girl. Give me more. 5, 10, 20 more. I just want them more. I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. Wetty, and I like that. I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. Them girl, them that's on. Them man, them that's on. I don't want 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, 4, 5 girl, 6 girl. Give me more. 5, 10, 20 more. I just want them more. I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. I don't want no one woman. All I want is plenty woman. Give me plenty woman. All she wants is one man. Fly Braziliana. All she wants is one man. The glass of every sweat, pressure gone up my lord of the end. Fire alarm in your arm, protect me from all these bad visions who don't wish you well. All have I been me, all have I been me, from the start till they do it back, them can destroy me. Because you know you're up under ocean, you don't still big jack in a ocean. Fireman carriage because your heat too high, dry up the earth and you make clouds dry. Catch Fahrenheit, can't measure how you want some. Specialist can see how you add some. You can decide for the ice where you mix up. It's amazing kind of love, and you make me feel like heat. Don't need to touch, oh that come in eyes and you know what me love, oh miss a beat. And we can't cool down 'cause the heat too strong. It can be blazing, blazing in love, blazing, blazing in love, keep blazing, blazing, blazing in love, blazing, blazing in love, keep blazing. Get fire, let me blaze in love. Get fire, let me keep on blazing. Get fire, let me blaze in love. Blazing, 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 blazing. But you know you're up under ocean, you can still be jack in a ocean. Fireman carriage because your heat too high, dry up the earth and you make clouds cry. Catch Fahrenheit, can't measure how you run some. Specialists can see how you add some. You can decide for the ice where you mix up. It's a blazing kind of love, and you make me feel like heat. Don't need to touch, oh that come in eyes and you know what me now, no miss a beat. And we can't cool down 'cause the heat too strong. It can be blazing, blazing in love, blazing, blazing in love, keep blazing, blazing, blazing in love, blazing, blazing in love, keep blazing. Get fire, let me blaze in love. Get fire, let me keep on blazing. Get fire, let me blaze in love. I'm blazing, blazing in love.
Your body's calling, calling for me, for me, for me, for me.
Share the live,
I
guys.
wanna be a fantasy
We'll be back
on the road,
in
just
about
wine and
a
hold
couple
it,
minutes
hold it, hold
more
it,
live book
hold it.
interviews.
You and me go be tripping by the track.
So bear with us. Thank you all for being tuned and staying tuned.
Hope you're from that version, yeah. Pick up
We are inside Dan Brigger at Quality Poultry Product for the 50th anniversary fair. Clean family fun. There is no belly contents out here. Clean family fun. Lots of giveaways, lots of discounts.